Hi everyone, welcome to Nefis TV. Today I'm gonna show you how to make these moist and tender meatballs in tomato sauce, and I'm sure it will quickly become a family favorite. Mix together 500 grams of minced beef, a quarter cup of breadcrumbs, cumin, black pepper, thyme, dried mint, red pepper flakes, salt, and finally 1 grated onion. And using your hands, mix all the ingredients until well incorporated. Cover the mixture with cling film and place in refrigerator for half an hour. Take walnut-sized pieces from the mixture and shape them into balls. Heat the vegetable oil in a skillet and fry the meatballs. Keep turning with tongs until they are completely and evenly browned. Evenly divide the meatballs among little clay pots. For the sauce, combine peeled and diced 3 tomatoes, 1 tablespoon of butter, and 2 tablespoons of leftover frying oil and cook for a few minutes. When it starts to boil, add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, 3 cloves of garlic, thyme, and salt. Stir and cook until the tomatoes are soft. Now spoon the sauce over the meatballs evenly. Bake in an oven preheated at 250 degrees for about 20 minutes. Top with grated mozzarella and continue to bake until the cheese is melted and lightly browned. Clay pot meatballs are ready to serve. Hope you enjoy! If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, subscribe and click the bell icon. Thanks for watching!